inflammation is discomforting and severe is unchecked. It is not always a bad thing. In case of injuries, your body responds in the form of inflammation only for protecting it from further damage. However, when inflammation becomes permanent in your body, it can cause severe medical conditions including but not limited to obesity, constant fatigue, joint pain, diabetes, heart disease, etc. Here are the 8 foods that can cause inflammation in your body. Number 1. Meat. People with sensitive stomachs can have trouble digesting pork and red meats, and less often poultry. This is especially true of factory-farmed, grain-fed, and antibiotic-infused animals. That's why our recommendation for all meats is for grass-fed, humanely raised, antibiotic-free products. It's the bacterial toxins in meat that most often trigger endotoxins in the blood. Number 2. Breads. Bread that you buy from the stores can be a cause of inflammation. These types of bread are prepared in a concise time, resulting in improper fermentation. This improper fermentation reduces the amount of gluten and starch in the bread, making it hard for your digestive system to digest it. Intestinal inflammation is the result of eating these bread. Number 3. Alcohol. All alcoholic beverages cause inflammation in your liver, your gut, your joints, tissues, and blood vessels. Alcohol is also associated with heart disease, stroke, cancer, and other digestive problems. Best to be avoided. Number 4. Sugar. Processed sugars are empty calories and just bad all around. They spike your blood sugar and are void of any valuable nutrients. Besides causing weight gain, they trigger the release of inflammatory messengers called cytokines and can cause suppression of white blood cells, which makes you more susceptible to getting sick. Inflammation caused by sugar has also been linked to certain cancers. Number 5. Processed foods. Most packaged foods have been altered for a long shelf life with preservatives, colorings, and artificial flavorings, all of which trigger inflammation in the body. If it comes in a box or bag and has a brand name, chances are good that it's bad. Number 6. Dairy. Milk is designed by nature to make calves gain weight quickly. And since we are not calves or even babies any longer, our bodies do not require milk. Contrary to popular belief and advertisement, bone strength does not come from consuming milk and other dairy products but from plant foods. In fact, dairy is a highly inflammatory food for most people, and more processing, skimming, does not make it any healthier, only more inflammatory. Number 7. Packed juices. Packed juices almost always go through the pasteurization process, which means very high temperatures. This process kills even the good bacteria in the juice. All you get is sugar. As mentioned above, on many occasions, sugar will cause inflammation in your body. Keep fresh juices close and packed juices as far away as possible. Number 8. Corn syrup. You will be surprised to know how commonly corn syrup is present in the foods you eat. Corn syrup even leaves sugar behind when it comes to its fructose content. In sugar, there is 50% fructose, whereas corn syrup has 55% of it. High fructose corn syrup has many names such as maize, dahlia syrup, glucose syrup, etc.